Hi amazing people, welcome back to my channel. Trust you all are good. When was the last time you took a healthy and nutritious drink as this one? Oh yeah, come, let's make a super tasty and nutritious soya milk drink without sugar. I will be using dates as my sweetener, but I'm going to review one secret people are not telling you about. You want to know, right? Make sure you watch till the end and let's get started. For this amazing recipe, we are going to be needing soya beans, right? Okay, make sure it is well picked, no trace of stone and unwanted particles in it, okay? It is well clean, transfer in a bowl, okay? Now go ahead and pour in enough water that will cover the soya beans because it is going to double in size, okay? Give it a nice stir, soak this overnight or for at least 6 hours. This is the next day. The soya beans has doubled in size. The skin will come off very easy. You can see it, guys. You can see it. Very easy to peel. What I did next was to drain the water out, okay? Then I optionally peel the beans. This is not 100% necessary, although it will help to blend smoother homemade soya milk and only add a couple of extra minutes of prep time to the recipe. If you have watched up to this point, that means you love our recipes. Please do well to subscribe, like, share, comment, and also turn on your notification bell for you to be the first to be notified any day, anytime a new video is being uploaded. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. We really appreciate. And to our newcomers, new subscribers, you are welcome to MIRA'S family. Thank you so much. So I'm going to be removing the skin as much as I can, okay?
Belly they turn, stomach they rumble. When there's reason in your belly, my dear, you can't withstand. You know fit ginger, you go humble your spirit, but whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this, so anytime, any place where you stay. MIRA'S kitchen there for you. MIRA'S
At this point, I'm done peeling the skin, okay? So, what are we going to do next is to set it aside. That's the chaff, you throw it away. So, the next, for the sweetener, I'm using dates. I said that earlier. Soak in a water for about 15 to 20 minutes. Cover and set aside.
You don't need to bother yourself, my brother. Whatever it
Next, add the soaked beans into a blender or food processor. Add some water, cover and blend until it is smooth and creamy.
MIRA'S kitchen there for you. MIRA'S kitchen there for you. And they put score we active. Belly they turn, stomach they rumble. When there's reason in your belly, my dear, you can't withstand. You know fit ginger, you go humble humble your spirit, but whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the
At this point, I'm done blending. So I went ahead and transfer in a bowl, okay? As you can see here, it is too thick, okay? So I added some water to it and mix. Then I now went ahead to strain using cheese bag. I will be repeating the same process until I'm done using them up.
Enjoy yourself, follow. You don't need to bother yourself, my brother. Whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this. So anytime, any place where you stay, Mira's kitchen there for you. Mira's kitchen there for you.
At this point, I'm done straining out the mixture, and that's the chaff, okay? So the next is to transfer the mixture into a cooking pot or saucepan. Place on a cooker and brings to a boil over medium heat as I stand over the pot during this process and stir often. Now back to the dates. As our sweetener, transfer in a blender, add little water, cover, blend until it is smooth. Once that is done, set it aside. Our date is ready, set aside. Now let's check on the pots. Okay, while that is boiling, remove the foam that starts floating on top, just like this, okay? Make sure to reduce the heat, simmer for 15 to 25 minutes. Occasionally stirring to make sure nothing is sticking to the bottom of the pot. 25 minutes later, I checked on the pot. Yeah, can you see how this soya milk looks? Okay, guys, remove all those foam that floats on top. Turn off the cooker and leave it to cool down completely. When I mean let it cool down completely, okay? So at this point, everything is done and set aside, okay? Yeah, our soya milk have completely cooled down, so I have to take this out, okay? Then next, here come when the secrets will be revealed. So I poured in the blended dates into the soya milk, yeah? Mix it very well, okay? You can use any sweetener of your choice. Okay, here comes it. I will be using dates in this recipe because I won't be storing for long. Yeah, it will be consumed right away. But if you want to make in large quantity to store for long, I would advise you to use sugar for a better result. This is because when you sweeten your soya milk with dates and you do not consume it right away, it becomes too thick and sticky and can even congeal the longer it stays, okay? So guys, this is my experience. Yeah, I've experienced this up to 3 or 2 times. Yeah, if you have any proof, come and prove me wrong or right. Yes, so that is the secret that I have to tell you guys. For a better result, my brother, my sister, better use sugar if you are not consuming it immediately. So I have to stir it again with my cheese bag. At this moment, you can see it is ready. Yeah, I'm going to be pouring it into a bottle or a container. Remember, I said we are consuming it immediately. So, to tell you guys the truth, I did not store in the fridge. If you do it and yours still gets good, let me know in the comment section. But for me, we consumed it immediately and it tasted so super good. Hope you try out this recipe and let me know what you think in the comment section. So guys, that is it. We are done. Thank you all for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in our next one. And remember, please, bye.
Many places where you did.